or 4 passes at any one time in the game, the entire game. So, congrats to Mona. We wish them good luck, but we really and truly just weren't good enough.
How satisfied are you pleased with the whole performance of the team for this season?
Well, we still have an opportunity to win something. I mean, we're in the Walker Cup, we can't go to the semi-finals of the Manning Cup, and we're going to take that seriously. But we still have a game left in the quarterfinals. We play Charlie Smith on Saturday. We're going to prepare for that. But it's a young team. It's a young team. Some people think we have overachieved to be where we are now, but I'm the type of coach that I don't ever say wait till next year. Every year I think we can do something, and we did pretty decently. I mean, I think we won 10 games out of 14, which is not bad, but we didn't win when it mattered. We needed to do much better today against a Mona team that I thought we could do well against, and we didn't. But we just were not composed enough, and that's what cost us the game.
One question, Coach. Listening to some of the fans, they are saying that St. Charles has been look like they are receding in the last 2 years. Would you agree with this, or you just think the team is young and improving?
No, it's a young team. Last year we didn't train at all. Last year it was 3 days before the first Manning Cup game that I knew we were going to play Manning Cup, because the kids had decided that they were not going to take the vaccine, and 3 days before they said they went again. That's when I knew we were playing Manning Cup. So we didn't train at all. I think when I tell people that we didn't prepare, people think say maybe I did train for 2. We didn't train at all. So we forget last year. This year it's a young team. Most of these kids can play 2-3 years, but that's not the reason we lost. I mean, Adrian Reid, who is 16, plays Premier League for Cavaliers. You know, so the fact that he's a young player in Manning Cup doesn't mean he's not a highly qualified player. So I don't think we lost, and I don't think we did badly against a Kingston College team because we were young. We were outplayed. Kingston College dominated us. And if you don't play good football, you will lose. So no, I'm not going to look at any excuses, and we're not receding. Things are cyclical. I mean, we won 4 years out of 5. The last time we got to a final was 2018. It's now 2022. Only 3 seasons because we never had 1 season. So no, we're still there. We're still there.
Coach, how important is the game on Saturday, psychologically heading into the Walker Cup next week?
Very important. Whether we had the Walker Cup or not, you don't want to go into the quarterfinals and lose 3 games in a row. So it's very important. We're not thinking about the Walker Cup yet. We're thinking about Charlie Smith. We want to win that one, and you're right. It will give us some confidence. We don't know who we will play in the Walker Cup. This happened to us in 2019. We won the first Walker Cup game, then lost on penalties to the eventual winner. So we have a lot of work to do, and we still can end up playing 3 games or 4 games. So we have some work to do now. Very important game.
Coach, real quick, shed some light on the recent change in the Walker Cup, and what are your thoughts on it? Because Walker Cup wasn't
that all schools can't play for the Walker Cup. Years ago I said that everybody should play for the Walker Cup, not just the top 8. I think every single team. I mean, you had about 2 or 3 games, 2 or 3 days, because I mean the first game, 36 teams in the Walker Cup. First game you don't take 18, second you don't take 9. So you added 2 or 3 more days. So I think everybody should play for the Walker Cup, not just the top 8.
Coach, market improvement today from the last game. Your team looked a lot more cohesive. They played way better today. Speak to us about what you would have told them after the last game that led to this improvement.
Just that if we lose the game, we're out of Manning Cup. I mean, I think I told you the last time that it's an easy game to prepare for, because you lose or you win or you go home. I don't think we were much better, to be honest. I thought the first half we were poor. Second half we got a couple of passes in. But when we don't attempt to play our game, I'm disappointed. And we didn't attempt to play our game.
And you guys missed a few opportunities that generally the guys of Georges, even this season, would have converted. Do you think that's something psychological?
No, we scored 49 goals. We've gone 49 goals in 14 games. That's almost 4 goals a game. No, today we just weren't good. We could have been much better today, but we weren't good.
And real quick, because I know you're in a rush, Coach, the one goal that you would have conceded, Coach, it's marred in controversy. As after viewing the replays, it can be deemed an offside goal. Speak just about your thoughts on conceding a goal that might have been an illegal goal, or a goal that should have been disallowed.
Referees are in charge of the game. They make those decisions.
That's all I have to say about that, Coach. All right, well, congratulations on making this far, Coach, and good luck on the rest of the season.